Hello everybody and welcome back. I want to thank everyone for all the comments they've been posting. Keep it up. Let me know what you want to see and I will make videos on it. So, Sling Player. That is the topic of today. So Sling Player is a part of this package. It's a client for the Slingbox. The Slingbox, what is it? Okay, so basically you can connect any of your cable box, your Xbox, your computer, hook the video and audio into it, and you can watch that video and audio over the internet from your laptop, your desktops, your Android devices, and well, your Xoom. So this is an Android app. This is for the phone. I actually had it for the phone, my phone, before I had it for the Xoom. It's not a special app catered exactly to the Xoom, so it's using the same functionality and controls as the phone app. With that said, it's not then optimized for the higher resolution, but it does a fairly great job. Let me just turn down the volume. Also, the nice thing about it being the Android phone app working on the Xoom app is this is actually a pretty expensive app. It costs $30. It does not come with your Slingbox. This is an additional fee that you have to pay in the App Store. So I paid $30 for my phone, and now I didn't have to pay anything for the one for the Xoom because it was the same app, and all the apps trickle down onto wherever your device you have your Google account on. So this is kind of when you pop in, it just pops into what you're watching. So keep in mind, wherever you have your Slingbox hooked up, that person who's watching the TV to what you're hooked up isn't having a separate stream, isn't having a separate video experience. They are watching what you are watching. So if you have a person at home watching your cable box and you're viewing it mobily, you're both going to be fighting over the same TV. So I recommend having a separate cable box for your Slingbox if you want to avoid something like that. So this is kind of the basic interface. There's this top mode kind of is your controller, and it simulates the different aspects. So, you know, if you have a cable box that can fast forward and rewind and pause, you can use these features. You can see that there's a little delay, and this is just in the input and output, but once the video starts, you do not notice any delay in the streaming. Then this is kind of the controller where you can flip through the channels and bring up menus. And then this is kind of the more extensive where you can go to your program guide, your DVR, go to any menus. So it basically, the Slingbox is able to cater towards your specific cable box. And so you'll be able to use all the features that are in your cable box. So it's very nice for this reason. You don't have to worry about anything, and you can control your cable box completely from your Slingbox app. So as you can see, I just changed to a different channel using the menu interface. So now you can also change your aspect. One of the things that I normally do is I just zoom in, and so I can get a more full screen experience on the Xoom. And the quality is fairly well. Of course, you know, as I said, this is an Android smartphone app. It's not optimized for the Xoom's higher resolution, but it's still very good for watching your TV over the internet. A couple good things to know: it does work on the 3G, and it works fairly well. No, it does not work while you're driving 65 miles per hour on the highway, but if you're in a standstill in the car, it works really well. So you can access your guide from the quick menu at the bottom. You can even access your DVR if you have a DVR. So let's do that right now. And so you can see my recordings. You can set your recordings. It's fairly nice. You forgot to set a show. go in and you can set recording your show remotely. And you can just go through, select the app that you want, or excuse me, select the video that you want, and then play it. Now, so there's a couple models of the Slingbox, and you can look into that yourself to kind of get the flavors. So also one good use for the Slingbox is I connect my Xbox into it to use it for Netflix. So you can get Netflix on your Slingbox by using the Xbox. So that's it for the Slingbox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know anything else that you want to see through the video on the Xoom, and have a great day.